Hi there, welcome to GG Password Expiration Notification Tool Demo Session. This tool is the proactive password and account expiration auditing solution for Active Directory. This tool also supports 64-bit operating systems. Let me show you the operations of GG Password Expiration tool in this demo. After the installation process is over, password or account expiration notifier dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, enter a task description and select the expiration type, for which you require notification. We notify both account expiry and password expiry, based on your selection. For example, if you need to get notifications for account expiry of contract users, then you can select account expiry here. That is an example. I will explain notifications for password expiry details in entire domain. Here I give the description as password expiry test and expiration type as password. Next step is to select the target for this notification task. The target will be a scope such as domain or an organizational unit or a group or set of users. By default, maximum password age will be based on domain policy or Windows 2008 fine-grained password policy. I can also enter the maximum password age value manually. With this info, we indicate the days to expire in notification mails. You can specify whom to be notified and also the time periods to be notified. By default, the user will be notified from his last 14 days before expiry. You can also specify days to be notified. You can notify Users Manager by selecting Notify Manager option. Also, you can send a report of password expiry users to your preferred email list. Notifications will be only via email. The email content can be edited by selecting the Edit Email. The email content is either in HTML format or in plain text format. You can use either as per your choice, and predefined macros can be used in the email content. To insert this macros, the insertion point should be placed in subject box or in the content box. Finally, click OK to save the changes. Now you can save the notification task. Save tasks can be run anytime or it runs per scheduled time. You can also execute the task and save it. When you click a message box with text "Please configure mail server. Do you want to configure no?" appears, click Yes. Then appears the mail server settings dialog box. Configure the email settings to send a mail. When you execute the task, the expired users list are sent to the email IDs as per the settings and a message is displayed. Then the saved tasks are listed in GG Password and Account Expiration Notification dialog box. All the settings are shown here and the task can be run immediately by just selecting Run Now at the end of each task. Here we provide several options which is used while executing the task. Let's see one by one. First, let's see the settings. When it is clicked, Settings dialog box appears. Two sections are shown. In the Password Expiration Settings section, the users to be ignored while executing the task can be chosen, based on your need. The next section is to send the summary of all notification tasks. You can specify the email IDs by just clicking the Add button. Here I specify the administrator ID. Finally, click Save to save the changes. Next option is Configure Mail. When you click the Mail Server Setting dialog box appears and the settings are already saved, so it appears with that details. You can edit or reconfigure the settings. Here you can change the scheduled task runtime, and to apply the change just click the Change button. You can also create new notification tasks by clicking Create Notification. From the application, directly you can view all users' expiration report by clicking View Expiration Report. You can select required users and export it as a report. You can export the report in these 4 different formats. You can also pull expiration reports based on the scope such as domain, OU, or users. You can register the software from the Help menu. Without registering, you can schedule only own task and can only notify own user. That's all about GG Password Expiration Notification tool. Please feel free to contact us for any support or suggestion. Looking forward to serve you better. Thank you.